Hey, this is Leo at the Lead Time. Today I want to introduce you my top three hydrosol, which I think everybody should use daily. I have made dozens of different kind of hydrosol, and these three are my definitely the best favorite ones. So I use them all the time. And also these three different hydrosols, they can be used at a different conditions. So these includes lavender hydrosol. This is witch hazel, and this is eucalyptus. So I'm going to introduce you each one and what's their specialty and when you will want to use it. So before we go into the detail, probably somebody it's the first time to hear like a hydrosol. So I want to give you a little bit introduction about what is hydrosol and how it's made. And the last of the video, I also wanna tell you, how to make this hydrosol at home. So yeah, what is a hydrosol? Hydro is water. Sol is like a oil or some mixture. So it's made during the steam distillation. And you heard about essential oil. Essential oil is the oil phase of the product after steam distillation. And this hydrosol is a water phase. Is a water phase the distillate after the steam distillation. So during the steam distillation, the steam pass through the flower or the herbs. You put in the it's called a steamer. So the steam, due to the high energy in the steam, it brings the essential components and even break the tissue of the plant. So make the essential component exposed and released. So the steam will bring all those essentials out, and then after condensation, it become a liquid. So the oil is made from this process is called essential oil, and under the oil that is a water phase called hydrosol. Because of it has a small volume of the oil and also some other called hydrophilic components in the liquid. So they are very, it has a very similar effect with the essential oil. Because of its low content, the benefit is you can use all the time. Not like essential oil, you have to dilute it and you have to use after certain days. And this you can, because it's safe to use, so you can use every day. Okay, so let's start from the lavender hydrosol. So lavender hydrosol called the best of the best. So it's an all-star hydrosol. It's very good at anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiseptic. So it's also it help calm down the nerve, and so that's why one of the best application of the lavender hydrosol is sleeping aid. So I normally spray on my face, my hair, and on pillow before I go to bed. It helps a lot. It helps like calm down the the mind and relax myself. And also a lot of my friends they try it. Even the first time they try it, they say it's very wonderful. You help them go to sleep so quickly. The second best use of a lavender hydrosol is it's antibacterial. So when there's like a minor cut or scrape on the skin, so just spray on it. and especially for the eczema. So if you have a rash, so uh, caused by the inflammatory, so you spray it, it helps a lot. And the last one I want to say is if you have a pet at home, so you can spray on the pet, on dog. I have a rabbit, so I spray on the rabbit. Uh, he love it. He always kind of close eyes and enjoy it. He didn't run away. And also I add a little bit into his water, so I found out he drink even more compared with without. Um, well, I said last, but I also want to add in one more. It's air freshener. It's a natural air freshener because of its the lavender, the special and the scent. So you can also add in the diffuser as an aromatherapy. So you just turn on the diffuser and then relax. So yeah, the second one is witch hazel. Witch hazel is very special. It's has been used for a long time, and it's a strongest antioxidant. So antioxidant is we know the skin getting tan or like even getting some older, the skin cell getting older because of oxidant in the environment. So antioxidant help the skin become younger. So for this one, my favorite is I mentioned like a script or even like a hit somewhere uh, accidentally, and then you get the redness on the skin. Use this one. This one not only has a similar like anti-inflammatory effect as a lavender, but also it reduce pain. So that's why they also recommended to use as a arthritic pain relief. Just spray on the joint when you feel pain. Yesterday my leg was hit outside, so when I came back I sprayed this right away. It really helped a lot. It kind of eliminates the pain within minutes, so it is really very helpful. And also because it's a strong antioxidant and antibacterial effect, this one also good to use as a mouthwash, but just dilute it in the water and then rinse. It help clean the mouth, clean the bacteria, and help the gum become healthy. Yeah, the last one, but not the least, it's has a very special function. This one called eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is a plant. It's normally people use the leaves to do the distillation. In Australia, the eucalyptus leaves is a favorite food for the very cute animal koala. So this one has the Japanese research show like eucalyptus is a very strong antioxidant and also an immune booster, internal and external immune booster. Its best known application of the eucalyptus is it help your respiratory system, like coughing. When you are coughing, so you can spray in the throat, in the mouth, so it can help calm down the cough. And also it works great when you spray in the nose to kind of reduce like the cooling of flu syndrome. And also Next best use is as an air freshener too, because it has kind of like a nature, like a forest smell. So just spray around you when you get tired, so you can kind of feeling you go back to the nature, you are walking in the forest. This is very good. Um, and also it's good as a face toner to spray on the face and to relieve, like reduce the oiliness and clean the skin, and refresh the tired and overheated skin. So yeah, so these are the top three hydrosols I highly recommend you. If you are new to hydrosol, I highly recommend you start with, and you try it, and I bet you will feel the difference after you use it. Okay, so at last, I want to introduce you how to make those at home. You probably know, like even somewhere, even you don't want to buy equipment, you can do like a in-home, like pot distillation. But the question is, how can I get these plants? I don't. Somebody grow them at home, or even like in the backyard, or they can find a tree nearby. But most of the people may not have these. So how to do it? Uh, so actually, I'm using the dry herbs. This is lavender, and this is the witch hazel, and this is the eucalyptus. So you can just use the dry leaves or dry flowers in your own like a distillation equipment, or if you want to do a little bit investment to buy a equipment, you will see the benefit quickly. So yeah, this is the dry leaves. They have the same quality as you use the fresh ones, and even some commercial hydrosols they made from the dry leaves. So yeah, the cost normally is about $10-20 a bag, and I do my calculation for like a weekly use. If you want to make like a 500 milliliter, then you can just spend like a couple dollars, like $3 for each, 500 milliliter. It saves you a lot of money. Yes, so that's today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, just contact me or leave comments here. I will quickly respond you. And if you like the video, please like it, subscribe the channel, and see you next time.